To sell option contracts on Robinhood, you need to have a solid understanding of options trading in the Robinhood platform. First, ensure that your Robinhood account is approved for options trading, as this requires a separate approval process. Once your account is approved, navigate to the stock or ETF you want to sell options on and click on the Trade button. Select the options chain by clicking on the Options tab. Then choose the specific option you want to sell, either a call or a put. The next step is to choose the expiration date and the strike price of the option. The strike price is the price at which the underlying asset can be bought or sold, and the expiration date is the last day the option can be exercised. After selecting the option, you will be presented with a screen to confirm the details of the trade, including the premium you will receive for selling the option. The premium is the price of the option contract and represents the maximum potential profit for the seller. When selling options, it is essential to understand that you are taking on an obligation to buy or sell the underlying asset at the strike price if the option is exercised. This means that you need to have sufficient funds in your account to cover the potential obligation. A key concept to understand when selling options is the concept of implied volatility, which affects the premium of the option. Higher implied volatility results in higher option premiums, while lower volatility results in lower premiums. To minimize risk when selling options, consider selling options that are out of the money, as these have a lower probability of being exercised. Additionally, selling options with a shorter expiration date can also reduce risk, as there is less time for the underlying asset to move against you. Finally, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of the Greeks, which are measures of the sensitivity of the option price to different factors, such as the price of the underlying asset and time to expiration. The most important Greeks for sellers are delta, gamma, theta, and vega. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and risks involved, you can effectively sell option contracts on Robinhood and potentially generate additional income. In your portfolio, always keep in mind to trade responsibly and within your risk tolerance.